Do you have an answer for me, Sourish?
Yeah, I'm just subtracting.
Okay.
$61.
I think you gotta try again here. Did you add up 47 plus 108?
Oh, you should add them?
Well, you're gonna add them before you subtract, and that is the correct order there with the order of operations and solving. So go ahead and add those together and let me know what you come up with.
Okay.
What do they add up to, Sourish?
Yeah, I'm putting that on. I'm putting that on. $155.
Okay, I agree.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so now you can subtract.
Yeah. So I can subtract.
Yes, you're going to subtract 155 from both sides of the equation, and that's going to allow you to solve for B.
Okay. Okay. So now for what I'm gonna do is that I'm just gonna be doing this.
Yes, you're going to subtract for us.
I think I remember how to do this. 180 minus 155. Uh, 25.
25, good. So we're going to label the third angle in the triangle 25 degrees. Okay.
Yeah.
And the instructions, the instructions actually say to determine which is the shortest side. Now, I'm going to write some words down. These are important. The shortest side is across from the smallest angle.
Okay.
Okay, so now which is the smallest angle out of these three?
Which is the smallest angle out of those three?
Yes,
The smallest angle is 25.
and that's angle B. Which side is across from angle B? Which side is across from angle B?
Obtuse.
No, which side? Which side? Which two letters are across from angle B?
108 and 47. C and A.
Those are angles, C and A, CA. So CA is across from angle B. Line segment CA is across from angle B.
Okay.
Do you see that?
I'm seeing that. Yeah, I'm seeing that right there. So CA is across from B.
Angle B, yeah. And B is the smallest angle.
B is the smallest angle. Okay.
So CA is the smallest side because I wrote, this is your definition. The shortest side is across from the smallest angle. So which is the smallest angle?
see the 25. So
Angle
let me write
B.
that down. Let me write that down.
Okay.
Okay. Got it down.
Okay. Now, the longest side is across from the largest angle.
Okay.
Okay,
All right.
so the longest side is across from the largest angle. Which is the largest angle?
This is the largest angle.
Yes, which is the largest angle in the triangle? Are you able to see the triangle on the screen?
Yeah. And so
Which,
and the triangle right there,
which is the largest angle?
angle C.
Angle C. Which segment is across from angle C?
AB.
AB. So AB is across from angle C.
Okay.
So here's what we know so far. We know that CA is the shortest. Okay. And then
Mhm.
the other angle, AB, is the longest. Side is the longest. Which one is in the middle?
AC.
No.
BC.
You already have AC,
Yeah, I said BC.
BC. Okay, so go ahead.
BC is across from A.
Yes, so shortest side, longest side.
Okay. Let me just write these down. I'm just writing all this down. Okay, I wrote it down.
Okay, we're gonna do another problem like this one.
Okay.
But before we do that, I need you to read out loud these two statements about the shortest side and the longest side.
Okay.
Can you read the shortest side is? Can you read this for me?
Can I read that can I read
Yeah,
that?
read it out loud.
Okay. All right. The shortest side is across from the smallest angle. The longest side is across from the largest angle.
Okay. All right, so here's a new triangle. A, B, C, 58 degrees, 62 degrees. You first need to find the measure of angle C.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
So it's just like the last problem. You're going to find the measure of angle C. C plus 58 plus 62 equals 180.
Okay. All right. So now we're now in what are we now on?
I'm giving you a new problem to work on, Sourish, because I don't think you understand what we did in the last one. So we're going to do another one.
Well, I was understanding what we did in the last one, but I just don't even know what problem are we on. I'm just looking at my paper.
We're on a problem that Matthew made up because he wants to help you learn how to do problems like this.
I'm learning how to do problems like that. I can.
Okay, so you're gonna solve for C.
Mhm.
So let me know when you do that.
Hmm. $160.
Nope, try again. Did you add 58 and 62 together?
Yeah, I did. I did.
What do they add up to?
They got to 120.
Okay, very good.
120 minus 180. It's a negative.
Nope, try again.
Okay. 60.
C is 60, yes. Okay, so which is the smallest angle of those
Smallest,
three?
which is the smallest angle out of
Yes.
those three? Angle A.
Okay, so which side is across from angle A?
Side is across from angle A.
Yes.
Uh, Angle C.
No, you can't give me an angle. I'm asking about side. Which side? The sides are AB, BC, and AC. So which of those three is across from angle A?
What's across from angle A?
Yes.
AB.
No, you're just guessing.
Sorry.
Here's angle A. What's across from it? What is this side right here? What two letters make up that side?
CD. CD. CD.
CB or BC. Okay, so BC
Okay.
is the smallest.
Mm-hmm.
What is the largest? What is the largest angle?
The largest angle. The
Yes.
largest angle right there is angle B.
Okay. Which now, which side is across from angle B?
From angle B, it's CA.
CA, good. And that's the largest one. What is the one in the middle?
What's the one in the middle? The one in the middle, that is going to be AB.
Agreed. Okay. All right. So this time I'm going to give you all three angles, and I want you to tell me shortest to smallest. So here's A, B, and C, 65, 54, and 61. So I want the sides from smallest to largest.
Okay.
Smallest to largest.
Smallest to largest. Okay. Smallest to largest right there. That right there. Yeah, I'm gonna be saying that right now. Okay. BC
What is BC?
54 and 61. They're very shorter.
Which one is the smallest?
It's angle B. I was saying
Okay, so which side is across from angle B?
AC.
Okay, so that's the smallest.
And for next up we have C, right? C, that is AB.
Um,
Hello?
yes, AB, good.
Okay, AB, and then that's gonna be BC.
Good. Okay, let's move on to the next problem on your page. We do,
Okay, we do, okay,
all right, so this is on your assignment, so you're gonna want to copy down what we're working on.
okay.
So it
Copy
says
down.
you're gonna work on this problem. It's to solve for x. Solve for x. So there's x and there's x. And then we want to find the measure of the angles. So what shape do we have here?
What shape do we have here?
Yeah,
That is a trapezoid.
no,
But is it like a triangle?
it's a triangle. It's got three sides. It's a triangle. Okay. What is the sum of the angles in a triangle? What do they always add up to?
What does it add up to?
What
It
is
adds up to right there. So for that right there, it adds up to 180.
180? So 28 plus 2x minus 4 plus 4x plus 6 is 180.
Okay.
So we need to be able to solve this equation for x.
Okay.
So I'm writing this equation again, but without the parentheses.
All right. Then I'm writing this down. Okay. I'm writing all this down, Matthew.
Okay.
Okay. So now I got that down.
Okay. We're going to add the x terms together. How many x's are there?
2 x's.
Yes, but there's 2x and 4x. So we're going to add those together.
That's 6.
6x.
Mhm.
Now we've got to add 28 minus 4 and plus 6.
Okay.
28 minus 4 plus 6.
Plus 6. Okay. Okay. So -4 plus 6, that's -1.
No, it's not. Try again.
1?
Don't guess, Sourish. I mean, it's -4 and positive 6.
Yeah, I'm just adding those.
That's right. It is not 1 or -1.
-2.
It is not -2.
Was I close?
No. So let's look at that. Here is -4 on a number line. So here's 0. And you're going left 4. That's -4. Positive 6 is going to the right.
Okay.
So one of the things you can do is you can sort of copy the 1 here and imagine going backwards now from 6. So if you go right 6 and then back 4, where are you at on your number line?
Where am I at on the number line? Where am I at on the number line? So where am I at on the number line? You're at the negatives.
No, Sourish, I don't feel like you're paying attention.
I'm trying to pay attention.
I hear clicking. I hear
No,
your
I was not
mouse
clicking
moving.
anything.
You're obviously not on my screen. So we're going to take a 4-minute break. We'll come back at
I'm not
7:30.
clicking or
We'll
touching
come back at
anything.
7:30, and I hope you've got a better attitude and are willing to participate in our lesson today. So I'll see you in about 4 minutes. Hi, Sourish.
Okay, yeah,
Are you ready? Are you ready to work on your lesson for tonight?
I want to continue my lesson.
Okay, so here's what we're doing. We're trying to do the following. We're trying to do 28 minus 4 plus 6. And we're looking at these two numbers here. When you subtract two numbers, this is subtraction, and this is something you learned a long time ago. The sign is determined by which one is further from 0. So which one is further from 0, the 6 or the 4? Which is further from 0?
It
Sorry,
was further from 6. The further from 6, it's 4.
so,
-4.
so 4 is further from 0
Yeah,
than 6. So here's 4 on a number line. Here's 6 on a number line. You're telling me that 4 is further away from 0 than 6. Do you
yeah,
understand the word further?
yeah, I know what further is.
Okay. And your answer is still 4.
Uh-huh.
Are you looking
Hello?
at my screen? Are you looking at my screen?
Yes.
Okay, what have I drawn on my screen?
You drawn like a small line for 0 and 4 and a big line for 0 to 6. The further distance for those.
So you just said it. Which line is larger?
Which line is larger? It's 0 to 6.
So the 6, that means 6 is further from 0 than 4.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
That means that the answer is positive. Positive 6 minus 4. What is 6 minus 4?
6 minus 4 is 2.
Okay, so this part right here is 2. So it becomes 28 plus 2. What is
Okay.
28 plus 2?
30.
30. Okay, so if we go back here, 6x plus 30 equals 180. Okay, what is the first thing to do to solve for x? What do we undo first? Multiplication by 6 or addition of 30?
Or addition of 30. Multiplication by 6.
Okay, so order of operations. Okay,
Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Sally. Sorry about that.
you undo addition and subtraction before multiplication and division when you're solving.
Okay.
So which do you undo first? Addition or subtraction or multiplication and division?
I'm gonna be adding.
So how do you undo plus 30?
You divide. You definitely divide.
No, you do not.
Because 30 is divided by 6, so that is 5.
Sourish, you do not undo multiplication division first. I just told you it's addition and subtraction before multiplication and division. When you're solving, you have to undo addition and subtraction before multiplication and division.
Okay. All right. Okay.
So how do you undo plus 30?
Subtract 30.
Subtract 30 from both sides of the equation.
Mhm.
What is 180 minus 30?
180 minus 30. Let me write that down for a minute. 180 minus 30. That is going to be no, 50.
It is not 50.
What 180? It is 50. Wait, did I subtract it wrong? Oh, it's 150.
Yes, it's
I thought
150.
I thought for a second that it's just going to be 50 because you have to take out the 1, but it's not. Sorry about that.
How do you undo multiplication by 6?
Undo multiplication by 6. You just have to divide.
Divide both sides by 6. Now, if you need to grab a calculator, you can, but please tell me what 150 divided by 6 is.
Okay. All right. 25.
X is 25.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so make sure you have everything down for this.
Mhm.
There's more to do, but we're moving moving ahead here.
I already have everything down.
All right, so we're going to go back to this problem here. I'm going to grab the picture one more time. So we just found that the value of X, all right, let me go grab it again. The value of X is 25. So see
Okay.
how it wants you to solve for X? That's the first thing to do.
Yeah.
We've done that. X is 25.
Okay.
Okay, now we need to find the measure of angle A. Which is angle A?
Which is angle A?
Yes. What is the expression for
2x
angle A?
minus 4. That is 1.
It's 2x minus 4. Do we know the value of X?
The value of x, yeah, it's 2.
What is the value of X?
The value of x, the value of x is 2. You can see it right there. Or maybe
It is not 2. Let's go back and look.
25.
Yes, we did all this work to find the value of X. You have to be able to remember that from moving one part of the problem to the next. So the value of X is 25.
Okay. Okay.
So I want you to simplify this. 2 times 25 minus 4.
I'm going to be doing that. Okay. I'm trying to write this properly. $46.
It is 46. Good. 46
Mhm.
degrees. So now we want to find the measure of angle B. Which
Okay.
expression represents the measure of angle B?
The measure of angle B.
Yes, which expression represents the measure of angle B?
4x plus 6.
4x plus 6. What is the value of X?
25.
Okay, so it's 4 times 25 plus 6.
Yeah.
Can you simplify that for me?
Yeah, I'm simplifying that. $106.
It is 106 degrees. Very good.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so now let's see what we've done here. We found the measure of angle A, angle B, and we solved for X. What is missing? What have we not found the measure of?
We are missing 1.
Angle 1.
Which
So what
is
I'm going to do here is
103.
I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to zoom in on this part of the picture here. Okay, and I'm going to draw it for you down here.
Okay, so 28 degrees, 28
And I'm going to call this
times.
I'm going to call this Y for the moment. Okay, so this is what's called a straight angle.
Okay,
What is the measure of a straight angle?
it's like 360 degrees,
Nope. That's if you go all the way around a circle. We're not going all the way around a circle. It's a straight line.
180 degrees because the straight angle is 180. It's higher.
180. So Y plus 28 equals 180.
Okay, so I'm just gonna, so I have to put M greater to 180, and then y plus 2080 equals 180.
Yes, you're going to solve y plus 28 equals 180.
Okay. Okay, got it down.
You're going to solve for y. What do you do to undo plus 28?
What do you do need to undo plus 28? Subtract
Yes.
28.
Subtract 28 from both sides.
Mhm.
So y is equal to
Y equals to, I'm remembering, I'm at 10 minus 8. Let me just hold on a minute. $152.
152 degrees. Good. Okay, we've done it.
Yep. Okay. That I did good.
Not really, Sourish. You've not really done very well tonight. We've only done 4 problems in 40 minutes. That's not very much. So let's
I'm
try
sorry
and do
about that.
let's try and do better. Okay, because you can do better. You're better
Yeah,
than
I'm
me.
just sorry about that. I was just getting kind of lost there for a second.
Well, Sourish, when I ask you what minus 4 plus 6 is, that's something you're supposed to know like that. You got to know it really fast.
Yeah, I'm just sorry about
Okay.
that. Just really
So
sorry.
I'm actually gonna recommend to your dad that you do some what's called rocket math, and it's gonna really help you to get faster at this.
Rocket Man, no, just give me a one more chance. I can do it.
All right, so we're looking at a new triangle here. Do you see how these two sides are congruent?
Yeah, I'm seeing two sides are congruent.
Do you remember the name for a triangle with two sides that are congruent?
Two sides that are congruent. The two sides are congruent means that they're the same, right?
Yes, this is an isosceles triangle.
Okay.
Okay, and an isosceles triangle, the base angles are also congruent.
Okay.
The base angles are congruent. So that means that 68 is equal to 6x minus 1.
Okay. Let me just write that down. Let me write it down.
Okay,
Okay. I wrote it down.
okay. So we're going to solve for x. Which do we undo first? Addition and subtraction or multiplication and division?
Subtraction.
Yes. Now how do we undo subtraction?
-6.
6 is multiplying x. How do you undo subtraction by 1?
Oh, you should add.
Should add 1 to both sides of the equation.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
What is 68 plus 1?
69.
Okay, and then what do you divide both sides by?
Then you have to divide
By what? What
by
value?
6.
Good. Now this time it actually does not go in evenly. Not sure why they chose this, but they did. So this time you get a fraction or a decimal here.
Wait, the 6 is not divisible to 69,
It is not.
so it's 10.7.
Yes.
X
Okay.
equals 10.7.
Yes. Now I'm going to zoom in on this part of the triangle and redraw it here.
Now we need to do 127 degrees.
Yes, but this is a straight angle. So what does y plus 127 have to add up to if it's a straight angle?
You have to add up to 180 degrees.
180, perfect. Yeah.
Thank you.
All right, so now you're going to subtract 127 from both sides,
Yep.
and that's your final answer.
Okay. Yeah. Let me just do that. Okay, got that answer.
All right, why don't you go ahead and grab your dad and we'll.
Well, at least I think I know this one. I think I'm going to be using these.
Yeah, go ahead and grab your dad
Yeah,
and
just
give
give
him
me
some
one more
feedback.
chance, Matthew. I can pay attention.